Today I'm going to be doing a head shave with Fresh Cut Fade. This is the new soap by 345 Soap Company. So before I get lathered up, I figured I'd show you guys that like to see the pour. This is a fresh tub, so nice full to the top tub. And let's go ahead and get lathered up and I'll talk more about the soap as I shave my head. Okay, so I've got my Fresh Cut Fade lathered up. Used my Wild West Brushworks Jade brush. So hopefully you guys can see the sheen on that lather. 345 Soaps makes an excellent lather. It is a softer soap. I find most of the milk formula soaps are. This is in John's Trinity base, which is has goat's milk, camel's milk, and cow's milk, I believe, in addition to, tallow and a handful of other things. I'll go ahead and put the ingredients up for you right here. So this is John's take on a barbershop. I actually got this about a week and a half before it's being released to the public, because I am a member of John's subscription service. So if you guys like 345 Soaps and you want to make sure you're included on all of the new releases and get an opportunity to buy things as they're released, John offers a subscription service with a variety of tiers. The one I am subscribed to is $33 for the soap and the splash. You can also, I think they go up to, as much as like $70, but that includes soap, splash, EDT, bath soap, candle, balm. So basically, for being in the subscription service, you get a little bit of a discount on the products, and you get guaranteed access. And I was able to try a couple of John's soaps a while ago and enjoyed them enough that I went ahead and signed up for his subscription service. So let's start with the scent on this. So like I said, this is John's take on barbershop. To me, it is barbershoppy, but it is not a traditional barbershop. If you look at the ingredients, which I'll put on the screen here, or the scent notes, sorry. If you look at the scent notes on this, they are very barbershoppy. Bergamot, oak moss, basil, cedar, sandalwood. So I'm going to be shaving today with my Rex Ambassador. I've got a feather blade in it and on setting 6. So yeah, it's the scent notes sound very barbershoppy. But I will say that this is not a traditional barbershop. It's not really a London barbershop with the bright citrus. This is more of kind of a new school barbershop scent. It's very cologne-y, and I really enjoy it. Scent strength, I think, is strong for mine. I've seen a couple of reviews where people didn't think it was quite as strong as some of John's other soaps. But I think the scent on it is actually pretty strong. I would say it's a very well blended soap. There's no one particular note that really stands out above the others. There are no floral notes really in the scent description, but I think there's a touch, just a touch of kind of a floral hint to it. It's very much, to my nose, a masculine cologne scent. It reminds me of something that I've used, maybe high school or college years. I can't quite figure out what it would have been, but it reminds me of a cologne from those days. So the cost on 345 Soaps is, for just the soap, it's $16.95 for 5.8 ounces of soap, which comes out to $2.93 an ounce. Ooh, caught a bump. And at $2.93 an ounce, to me, that is an awesome cost. I think there's excellent value in 345 soaps. For me, it's a fantastic performer. And you're getting a lot for your money. I think this soap can probably hold its own with Sterling, Murphy and McNeil, Barrister and Mann, CK6. I think this performs just as well as any of those soaps. So definitely a high performing soap. Now their splash is also a really good value. You can get the splash for $17.95 for, I think it's 100 milliliters, which is like 3.4 ounces, which is typical size for aftershave splashes. But if you take the soap and splash combo, it comes in at under $4 an ounce, which there's only probably 5 or 6 different artisans that offer soap and splash for that inexpensive. So 345 soaps is very slick. It's not the most voluminous lather, but I don't like a lot of volume to my lather personally, because I find that it's air that creates the volume, and air in my lather reduces the slickness. So I prefer the consistency of lather that 345 generates. Very slick, and post shave's really nice. It doesn't dry out your skin. It does have a lot of good skin food ingredients in it. The splash is also really nice. It's alcohol based, but it doesn't feel like it is. To me, it feels like it conditions the skin really, really well. The scent is definitely lingering on the skin and in the bathroom, which I really, really enjoy. Part of what I love about this hobby is the scents. I gotta be careful here. I gotta bump. I gotta pay attention to right here. So I like strong scents. I like scents that are gonna fill up my bathroom and kind of linger with me after the shave, and this is one of them. Like I said, to me this is very much a masculine cologne type scent. It is barbershop family, but it's more of a modern take, and I could see getting the EDT and wearing this as a cologne. It's a really, really nice scent. So I'm planning on posting this Friday or Saturday before this soap releases. So when you guys are watching this, hopefully the soap will be available by then. I think it usually releases on noon. This particular soap will be released on June 12th. You can buy it straight from the 345 soap website, which I'll link below. I'm not affiliated with 345 other than I use and enjoy their soaps. or it's usually also available at the razor company, which I'll link below as well. Razor company is really, really nice. Their shipping policies are fantastic. I've bought from them a handful of times. Enjoy doing business with them. So good shave. Go ahead and check and make sure I didn't miss any spots. I think that's a pretty good head shave. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the shower, and I'll come back and do post shave and give you some final thoughts on the 345 Soap Fresh Cut Fade. So I finished up off camera with my shower and a little bit of the Fresh Cut Fade splash. This definitely feels very skin conditioning. I think there's probably a little bit of oil in here, which my skin needs to stay soft. I really, really enjoy the kind of after feel of this 345 splash. So Fresh Cut Fade, I think it's a winner. I really, really enjoy this scent. It's also wife approved. She enjoys this scent. She said she kind of picks up that cedar note at the end. It's kind of a top note. But all in all, really, really good entry into the barbershop. I would say if you wanted to compare this to something, it's kind of in the same barbershop family as Murphy & McNeil's Triskel or Sterling's Baker Street. It's not the same as either one of those, but I would say that's kind of the family of barbershop it's in. This to me is a much more masculine cologne type scent, but kind of similar scent notes. So really, really good entry. If you guys have the opportunity to pick this up, I'll leave the links to where it'll be available down below. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend.